Today, we simply can't afford to perpetuate a system in Washington where politicians and bureaucrats make decisions behind closed doors with little accountability for the consequences. We can't forget how close we came to the brink and perpetuate the broken system and breakdown of responsibility that made it possible. Trends that have been eroding middle-class security for decades. Technology that makes some jobs obsolete, global competition that makes others movable, growing inequality, and the policies that perpetuate it. All those things still exist, and in some ways the recession made them worse. Also to this day, there are those who perpetuate every form of intolerance, racism, anti-Semitism, homophobia, xenophobia, sexism, and more. Hatred that degrades its victims and diminishes us all. And so to make the argument that somehow we should just lock in on the status quo or perpetuate the same policies that got us into this mess in the first place and that somehow is going to solve our problems just doesn't make any sense. And he knows that too many outdated policies, no matter how well intentioned, perpetuate a destructive cycle in too many communities. The bottom line is we've got to make sure that our criminal justice system does not perpetuate a cycle of hopelessness, but rather lifts people up.